Hey people, how are you doing today? I just want to show you my own version of peeling the watermelon. And I supposed to peel it very thick, but I'm just feeling also wasted if I cut including the red color. So my sister used to tell me not to cut that way, but I just imitate what I saw in videos, people peeling watermelon. Actually, that is not it is not thick as what I'm doing, peeling that watermelon, because based on what I watch in video, the way they peel the watermelon is thicker than mine. But as I said, I feel wasted once I cut including the red color because that red color can be eaten already. So at least I just peel out peel off that white thing and also the green. That's the skin. So that's how I feel. The watermelon, it's not that thick because I just feel wasted once I cut the red color of watermelon, which is can be eaten na. So that knife I'm using is so sharp. I have to be careful not to cut including my fingers. That's how it is. That's done, and I have to cut that in one cut. And so far, that watermelon is taste very sweet and juicy. Anyway, people, watermelon is always be a juicy. That's lots of water on it. That's why it is advisable to eat lots of watermelon, especially during summertime or hot time, because that can replace the sweets that comes out from your body. So watermelon is good for summertime. That's gonna be good to eat watermelon if it is the weather is so hot. And since we're in the outing that time, we're in the beach, I used the plastic that has ice to put watermelon on it so that it will feel cold, because watermelon is good to eat if it is refrigerated or cold. So what I did, I just have uh, initiate just to put the cut watermelon inside the plastic where there is uh, ice cubes on it. So it is a nice idea for me because we're on outing that time. We're not in the house. So as you can see, people, the watermelon is so red. It means that it tastes very good, sweet and very juicy. Even though that watermelon has seeds, but it is still okay as long as the taste is good. And that's how it is. I just put that watermelon, cut watermelon at the top of the ice cube. So don't forget to follow, click, subscribe our channel, and TikTok, just follow people, and then our YouTube, don't forget to click subscribe our channel. Your subscribing our channel is really it really mean for us. So thank you for watching, and God bless people.